Hi, it's me. I'm back. I'm here to show you guys how I achieved my signature fro look. This is it. I used this box on my head to give this look. No, I'm just kidding, y'all. This was sent to me by Revair. This came in a huge box and it had a lot of fun things in here. So I'm gonna show you guys in this video how I achieved this look. So this is my hair. I washed it, deep conditioned, shampooed, did the whole shebang. My hair is about to be dry, not the roots, but definitely the ends. So I need to hurry. I'm about to try out the Revair. This is what it's looking like. Hair goes in here. I'm gonna divide my hair into a couple of sections and I'm gonna try it out in a few sections, show you guys how it worked, and then I'm gonna go behind the scenes, continue the rest, and come back and show you guys what the final result is. And I'm also gonna be using these little hair ties that they had in the box, which I thought was really handy because I need all the hair ties in the world, girl. I buy a box of hair ties, like, you know, the boxes that they have at the beauty supply store, like 100, 200, 300, literally a week after I have 0. So this is very handy. So I'm very grateful for these. So I'm about to use these, tie up my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the back. It's already a little bit dry because I've been sitting here talking, doing nothing. So I'm gonna be re-wetting it just a little bit, just to dampen it a little bit, and then see where we can go from this. I don't know if I should be redamping it actually because I'm trying to get it dry, but I'm afraid that if it's too dry, then will it work? Because what am I getting, like, what am I doing if it's already dry, you know? So anyway, also gonna be using some of the clips that they provided, which is also very handy. Like, I feel like this is like this whole box of products, and is it products? I mean, gear. It's just so well coordinated. Like, they gave you everything that you need. Okay, so I have the machine thingy right here, and there's an on button on this, and this is the part that you put your hair in, right? So I'm gonna turn on the machine, and then on here you have the settings. Please don't mind my nails. I look like I've been fighting people, but I was just in New York for like 10 days, and this is what New York does to me. I'm looking crazy. But anyway, so the settings on here, you have, I believe this was low, and then the circle means cold air, I believe, or just cold, like no heat at all. And then the one with the 2 stripes means high heat, or like very hot, which they don't recommend for you to use that one. Just use the first one. So that's what I'm about to do. But before I do that, I do think I want to re-dampen the hair a little bit. And again, I'm using spray bottle from them because they just hook you up on this whole box. Like, they give you everything that you need. So I slightly re-damped the hair. I don't know if this section is actually too big or not. I feel like it should work. I had to turn it off just so y'all can hear me talk. My hair is blow dried, and it's blow dried. Like, I'm shooketh. I'm actually shooketh. Blow dried, and it doesn't even feel hot. Like, it feels like regular temperature, if that makes any sense. Like, you know, like when you blow dry your hair and the hair feels like really hot, you're like, oh girl, no, you know? But this doesn't feel like that. It feels like it just blow dried with cold air. So what I think it does is it's like a reverse air dryer. So it sucks out all the water out of your hair, I think. I'm gonna have to look this up because that's what I think I read. But so basically no heat damage, but you get the same result as a blow dryer. I'm shooketh. I'm actually shooketh. I'm about to do the other section. And this was like, what? 90 seconds? Girl, it's about to change our lives. Like, for real. And I don't think I need to like re-dampen it at all. Okay, let me do this side. Like, I have blow dried hair without blow drying it. That's crazy. I'm gonna do the rest up until I get to the front, and I'm gonna show you guys how the front looks while I'm doing it. Okay? Okay, you guys, so this is the finished result. My hair is big, fluffy. This is exactly how I wear my afro, my blown out afro. This is the look that I've been wearing for like the past couple of 6 months, I think. And I used to just use a blow dryer to achieve this look, which was really bad on my hair because heat damage is very real. Had to cut off a few inches. And now that I found Revair, I feel like life is just gonna be amazing because I really love doing this look and being able to do this without the heat damage. And it takes me like, how long did this take me, to be honest? If it wasn't for the filming part, I would have been done in maybe like 10-15 minutes, but because I was filming it, it takes a little bit longer because, you know, I want to add those little cute clips in here and there. So, but this is the result. Fully blow dried, stretched out, afro, curly, kinky hair, and I'm absolutely loving it. Loving it. And also, I just recently dyed my hair back to black, so that's why I'm like really feeling this whole look right now. So, but yeah, the Revair definitely did exactly what it said it would do. Let me know what you think.